Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And if you're looking for a heartfelt way to express your feelings, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make these beautiful love letter templates that are great for showing your emotions, whether it be with your partner, a crush, or even a secret admirer. Let's make this Valentine's Day extra special with a little personal touch. Without further ado, grab your laptop and let's get started. Open up Canva and you're going to hit custom size. We want to change the units from pixels to inches. And then we'll do 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to look for a heart-shaped border or some type of border to go around here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in, I'm going to hit love background. And let's see what we got. So as you can see, we got all type of backgrounds here that you can pick. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to pick this one. Otherwise, we'll be here all day. So what you want to do is add your border here at the bottom. You can frame it if you don't want all those hearts, or you can leave it how it is. And then we'll duplicate that as well as flip it vertically. And we're going to bring that to the top. You can hit the L button and a line will pop up. And then you can add your lines however you want. To make them go across the page, you want to go ahead and hit Shift and then just pull it over. Now what I will say is not to do the whole page, because if you want to do some type of a border. If you don't plan on doing some type of a border, then you can go ahead and hit Shift and bring the lines all the way to the end of the page. One thing you should think about is when you print these, the edge may or may not get cut off depending on the printer, so just be mindful of that. And then you want to go ahead and Command D that. Bring it down and just keep doing that until you have all of your lines. Now, if you want to make sure that they're all spaced evenly, let's move this out of the way really quick so I can just show you. Let's say you want to double check to make sure all your lines are spaced evenly. You can highlight them and hit position. And then if they're not spaced evenly, these things will pop up. So now that we have a basic outline of some sort, I'm going to go ahead and hit the T button so we can add some text. You want to drag that up to the top. And then here, I'm going to write "To my love." This is some very boring text here, so what we're going to do is change it to something that feels a little more intimate. I like this one. From here, I'm going to change the text to something that's like red, maybe not that red. We want it to match a bit. We're gonna hit the R button again and add a rectangle. You want it to be more or less the same size as your lines here. Send it behind your lines and turn the color to white. If you choose to add, like say you want to add a background or something, or you want to change the background color like I'm going to do in a moment, you can now, you'll still have that white writing area. So I'm just going to go ahead and polish up my design and add a few more lines here. And that's what we got. From here, I'm going to hit the R button so that we got a rectangle. And we're going to place this behind to my love. And then we'll also change the color to white. And we're also going to give it a border, which will change to red. I'm going to size down the text a bit so that it fits into the box a little bit better. And then we also want to make sure this is centered. Your loved one might not notice too much, especially if he's a dude, but you'll notice. From here, I'm just going to add a couple hearts around the box. I'm going to use this one right here. It's just a red heart icon. And I'm going to duplicate that and put one here as well. Last thing I'm going to do is change the background. See what happens if we hit the background remover. So I just hit the background remover so that we still got the hearts, but we don't have that gaudy pink background anymore. And then I'm just readjusting my lines. Now, if you happen to need more space to write your love letter, you can just simply duplicate the page. You can click on the page and hit duplicate the page, and now you have multiple pages. If you want, you can also go in and change the lines to like a different color, like a lighter gray or something like that, or you can choose to leave them like this. So there you have it. A simple love letter template for your loved one. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. If you're interested in learning how to make more stuff, try these affirmation cards. I'll see you next time.